Effortless.
That was hot. Solenn Yusaf with her hottest new single, It's Our First Time. And the music video you saw earlier featured Solenn with rugby player Gaz Holgate.
Yeah, pero kita-kita naman hindi first time ni Solenn on stage, diba? Ibang klase. So effortless when she performs. At up next, kami dito sa Party Pilipinas kasi we are so proud of mga Filipinos. They're making their name internationally. So we have with us this afternoon, ito, kailangan ko pumatong dito kasi kung hindi ako pumatong, putol yung shot na mangyayari. Miss Gwendolyn Ruey, welcome to Party Pilipinas.
Sa Party Pilipinas. Alam mo, bihira akong maramdaman yung ganito eh.
Oo.
Yung tumitingala ako sa babaeng.
Lalo na ako.
Parang kailangan ko rin pumatong dyan. Anyway, welcome sa Party Pilipinas family.
And of course, Miss Gwendolyn is 2011 Miss World First Princess. So what would you like to tell sa mga kapuso na sumuporta sa'yo, sa mga kababayan natin?
Gusto ko po isalamatan po lahat ng tao po, nagsuporta po sa akin, nagdasal sa akin. Salamat po sa lahat ng Pilipinas. Super, ang galing nyo talaga magsuporta. And hindi po para sa tagumpay po ng buong Pilipinas to.
Yan. Congratulations to you, Gwendolyn.
Proud to be Pinoy talaga tayo ngayon. At dahil dyan, alam mo, Jeff, may isa pa tayong rason kung bakit dapat maging proud ang Pinoy. Dahil mamayang gabi ipapalabas na ang oras na ang pinakabagong documentary ng GMA News and Public Affairs from the makers of the critically acclaimed documentaries ng GMA News and Public Affairs. Comes oras na. It's 6 months worth of research and footage. Mamayang gabi na po yan, 9:45 p.m. Abangan po niyo yan mamaya.
And of course, Chard, I'd like to congratulate you also kasi yung mga advocacies that you're working for, ibang klase naman talaga and really making a name for yourself.
Yes, Jeff, that's true. Pero alam mo, Jeff, I want to congratulate also all the people behind the camera, lahat ng researchers, producers who worked very hard for 6 months just para lang makabuo ng ganitong klaseng dokumentaryo na ipapalabas mamayang gabi. So sana po suportahan ninyo, oras na, isang napakagandang dokumentaryo po yan mamayang gabi.
And of course, ang Survivor, brother.
And of course, maraming salamat pala sa lahat ng taong sumuporta sa Survivor Philippines Season 4. Marami pong mangyayari dyan. Dapat gabi-gabi abangan ninyo. Maraming salamat.
Yeah, congratulations. And to you, Gwen, welcome to the Party Pilipinas family.
Thank you.
Yan, ito pa. Isa pang nakaka-proud ng original Pinoy music video, Our Love for OPM. Ipapakita namin through...
Sa pagbabalik ng
mamaya pa.
Party Pilipinas, proud ako.